And today Lizzie and I are checking out this microscope set made by FOKOOS. This is great for students and young scientists who are really interested in the microscopic world. It comes with a ton of accessories and things, and it's a really nice microscope. So what we're going to do is take a closer look at this real fast and show you everything that you're going to get with this microscope set. Are you ready, Lizzie?
Yep.
All right, here we go. All right, so here's a quick tour of the microscope. You have your eyepiece up here. You do get a couple of these interchangeable eyepieces to increase magnification. You have 3 different magnifiers down here. This can be magnified from 40 times all the way up to 1,000 times. This is where you put your slides on. You have a light underneath down here. You have a light from up above. And then you have your coarse focus and you have your fine tuning focus as well. Now you can plug this in with an AC adapter to keep it lit up, and it also runs on AA batteries in case you don't want to plug it up. And it even has this nice convenient carrying handle on the back. It is made with a metal body and plastic parts added to it, so it's very, very sturdy and very strong. Lizzie, do you want to see what all this comes with?
Yes.
All right. Now inside here we have onion epidermis, which is like an onion skin. But some of the other test slides that they give you, and I'm going to read these off to you real quick. You get a blank slide for your own samples. You get another one for your own samples. And then you get oral epithelium and tomato flesh to look at. But on top of the test slides, you have another full pack of your own sample slides in here. You're going to get the little glass covers that go on top. What else do we have, Lizzie?
A stick.
You have some dyes. So you can dye your samples in case they're clear. You put dye on them so you can see them.
And there's stuff.
A cotton swab. A little hook for manipulating and moving your sample around. You get a petri dish. You get different tweezers and scissors. And a little razor knife as well. Be careful. You get a little test tube dropper as well. And this right here is a really cool accessory that you're going to get. This goes over the eyepiece and it attaches to your cell phone so you can actually take photos and see on your cell phone what's inside the microscope. How cool is that? Alright, Lizzie, do you think we should magnify something?
Yes.
We're going to go ahead. We have the onion epidermis loaded in there. Now you have a bottom light. If your sample is transparent, you use the bottom light and it will shine through your sample, making it visible. But if it's not, like if it's a feather or a bug or something, then you use the top light, and you can control that with the switch on the back. All right, Lizzie, look in there. Can you still see our sample?
Yes, I see it.
All right, let's try to magnify it by 10, and this will be a full 1,000. All right, try to tune it in.
Scared.
Can you tune her in?
I see a black and white dot.
All right, let me take a look. All right, now you take a look.
Ew. It looks like scales.
All right, so this was the 25-time magnifier. This one is a 10-time magnifier. So the 25 with the 10 is going to give you your most close-up view. What do you think about what you saw?
It looked like scales.
It looks like scales, but it was like microscopic onion skin, which was really, really cool. So this is a very complete kit. It's going to come with everything you need. It's nice that they give you a power adapter so you don't have to use batteries. You can just plug it into the wall and run your microscope as long as you want to. It has a wide variety of different magnifications, so you can see things from a bunch of different perspectives. And you have a dimmer knob on the side to make your light dimmer or brighter. How cool is that?
I feel it.
But overall, a very complete kit. Has everything you need to get started and is the perfect gift for that young budding scientist or explorer in the house. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.
Bye.